loves, welcome. Hi. Hey, my loves, welcome to Styles by Tara Love Diva. And as you can see, we are talking about fabrics and patterns. So I received these three from a supporter. We're going to get to those in just a minute. But let me say this. I am not a professional sewer. I don't know what word to use. I'm not a professional designer. I am self-taught. I've said this in so many videos. I'm just going to repeat it for the ones that did not watch those videos. I am a self-taught designer. I've been designing my own stuff for a very, like seriously, a very long time. Fashion was not my profession, but fashion has been my passion since I was knee-high to a grasshopper, and that's how old I am. Woo! But with that being said, I've taught myself. I've been watching YouTube videos, and yeah, there's a lot of women on YouTube that are teaching classes on cutting, patterns, how to create your own pattern, how to redo a pattern. Like if you want, let's try this one here. If you want a dress or a bodysuit, you can, a skirt or a bodysuit, you can create what you want and how you want. You don't have to do it exactly like this pattern. You can make the sleeve longer and shorter. You can do whatever you want. You can make the skirt shorter, or you don't have to make it a wrap skirt. There's so much you can do with patterns, and I've been learning that from a lot of YouTubers. Thank you all for creating a YouTube channel for beginners, and I treat myself as a beginner, even though I've done things like this. I've done this already. This is a two-piece. I just did that. This one here is a lounge gown. It's not finished. I didn't sew it together yet, but it's not finished. And then I also have a basket of things that needs to be sewn, or what I call unfinished projects that I need to finish. So with that being said, let's get on to the topic of this video today. I have some patterns. Some are things that you have around your house when you're learning sewing or creating, or you really watching the YouTubers and they say let's sew together. Literally they mean let's sew together. So sheets that do not fit my bed anymore, literally sheets. Well, this was a backdrop. This was a sheet on my bed that doesn't fit. This was a backdrop, this was a backdrop, but these were sheets I did when I had my studio. So now they are patterns for me. These here are patterns. This was given to me. It's a pretty pattern. I'm going to create something out of it. It might be one of these shirts. We'll show you in a minute. But this was given to me. This one is from, the rest of them are from Walmart. Literally Walmart patterns. $2. $2 for 2 yards. This is $2. No, this one was, all my satin patterns was $1.97. So yeah, pretty much $2 a yard. It's $2 a yard. This one here once was a backdrop as well. This one here, I don't remember, but this one and this one and this one and all the ones that you see as far as the outfits that I made, like this one was $2 a yard. This actually I recreated from a robe that was messed up. And this robe came from Amazon, so I had to cut it up because it was messed up because of the makeup thing. Makeup. But this was a robe, and I just made it an upcycle or refashioned thing. Is my boob showing here? I hope not. And this one here I made a long time ago. And I say about, when did I move to Georgia? 2004, so about 2005, 2006, I made that one, and it's a lot of other ones that I made I have not unpacked yet. So with that being said, we're going to get into the patterns I received and the ones I actually purchased. And they all McCall's McCall's. They all McCall's. So let's start off with the one that I had already created. I created these pajama pants for women. Let's not put you in my face. Pajama pants for women. I'll put it right here. And the picture of the pajamas right here. So this is the pajamas. I made it out of satin. Matter of fact, that was a satin sheet. I'm going to show you. Or is it over here? Okay, here we go. These are the pajama pants here. Like I said, I'm going to put a picture right here. But these are the pajama pants I made. It's drawstring. My first pair of pants I ever made. Let's put that back here. We got to clean up a mess again. Then the shirt here I created out of the sheet that did not fit my bed anymore because I got a new bed. But this is the top that I made for the pajamas. So, like I said, focus. I did a lot of upcycling. So, the pajama pants for women I made, I'm loving them, but I have to practice make perfect. Trust me. Because these pants, these shorts here, nowhere near even. The crotch is nowhere near even. But practice make perfect. This one here, I received from someone. Wait, let me go to the other one I purchased. It's this dress here. I'm going to put a picture right here. This dress here, I might make it out of this black one or this polka dot. I'm not sure. No, the polka dot is the one I'm creating. I'm designing. Anyway, either way, I'm going to make this dress out of one of these fabrics. So it's the dress, and I might keep it with the swoop over. I don't know what you call it, but I might keep it like this, or I might just make it along. Now let's get on to this pattern here. This one here is for shirts. I've been wanting to make my own shirts here. I'm gonna put the, well, you'll see, I'm gonna pop it up here. I want to do the different shirts, because I love shirts off the shoulder. That's my cup of tea. Shirts off my shoulder, I think is the sexiest thing ever. Because I love the shoulders. Except that little mark right there, if you can see it. But I'm that off the shoulder chick. Every time you see me in shirts, it's always off the shoulder. So with that being said, there's a lot of patterns here that I will be making different types of shirts. So it'll be with these types of fabrics, the silk and the satin type fabrics. Oh yes, there we go. This one here, I'm gonna do a close-up. This one here, I'm gonna make out of this fabric. This one here, don't pay my nails anymore. But this one here, I will be making out of this shirt. That's it. Yep, that one here. That is so cute. So then this one here, I might use this fabric here. We'll see. We're going to work with it. But we will be making a lot of shirts for the summer. And then we'll get more patterns to do shirts for the winter. Because I'm working on my winter line. I'm not buying too many clothes. If I can make my own clothes, maybe. Because we'll see. This one here is the skirt, the wrap skirt, and the bodysuit off the shoulders. Once again, it's off the shoulders. I'm loving this one here. Off the shoulder with this one here. So this one is more of a winter look because it's long sleeve, but you can always also make it to a short sleeve. This one here is with the T-strap on it, like in the picture. And then the wrap skirt. I'm liking this wrap skirt. I do not like a lot of ruffles in my clothes. I don't like a lot of ruffles in my clothes. So it's just going to be a plain Jane wrap skirt. I'm loving it. So as far as this material, I might be I'm not sure which material, because these are kind of thick. And I want it to be a little flowy. So I might use this red one. Because this is polyester. I might use a polyester for this skirt. We will see. But I'm definitely making a lot of these skirts in different patterns. We will see. Now, last but not least, robe. Me, I love robes. I love satin robes. I love sheer robes. I made a blue one. I will put one right here. Put the picture right there. I made a blue one, but it was a short robe, not the long one. But I will be making a lot of my winter robes. And yeah, some summer robes too. So I'm going to have fun with these. This was another pattern that was given to me. And like I said, these three was given to me by a YouTuber or Instagram buddy. I would say both because she's on both my things. But she sent these to me. And I want to say thank you. I don't know if she want me to say her name. I will get permission. When I get permission to say her name, I'll put her name right here. And thank you so much. And look forward to more patterns from Tara Love Diva, Styles by Tara Love Diva, because she is on a roll. And I have nothing but time because I work from home and I am a CEO of me. So with that being said, thank you for watching. If you want to send me anything, please send it through Amazon. I have an Amazon wish list because I get a lot of people saying, I want to send you stuff. I don't have a P.O. box yet. But if you want to send me things, you can send it through Amazon or eBay. Because eBay and Amazon has my email. Has my address on private. But if you send it as a gift, it will come to me. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate all my supporters. I don't call anybody fans because I think that is a tacky word. Each to their own. I want to say thank you to all my supporters. The people that support me and my channel. I'm not a great big channel, but I am a channel. And I want to say thank you to all the ones that's been watching me and sharing my videos and all that great stuff. So I said what. With that being said so many times, thank you so much. Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Styles by Tara Love Diva, but it's Tara Love Diva on YouTube. But I'm going to change my name to Styles by Tara Love Diva. Because everything I do is my style. So thank you for watching. This is your girl, Tara Love Diva.